EduFam.
Way up in the branches where the green leaves all sway, grow little red treasures that brighten the day. They hang in small bunches like jewels on a string, ready to tumble down when the summer winds sing. Oh, the cherries so bright, a delightful small sphere, bringing sweet sunshine when the warm weather's here. With a tiny short stem and a pit hidden deep, their sweet juicy flavor, secrets they keep. You can pop them right in with a happy nom nom, or bake them in pies till the sweet flavors come. So thank the tall trees for this wonderful treat, the bright little cherry, oh so juicy and sweet.
Hey guys, do you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe! Search for EduFam and YouTube.
Thank you for watching.